morning students. Hope you are all keeping well at home. So today we are starting the new topic HTML, which is the portion of class 12 for both computer science and computer application. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So this is not a programming language, it is a markup language. So first of all, see, what do you mean by the term hypertext? It is written that hypertext, it defines the link between the web page. That means it may be a text, it may be a picture or anything, by clicking on which we can go to a new page. So it is a link which takes one web page to another web page. Next, coming to the markup language. So markup language is used to define the text documents within tags which defines the structure of web page. So markup language means whatever written within the tags, it is called markup language. Now come to the next point is tags. What are tags? Tags are hidden keywords within the web page that define how the web browser must format and display the content. So it is the hidden keywords, which the tags which you will write in the web page in the coding section, the tags will not be displayed in the web page, just only we can see the contents. So now the next part is you have to know that what are the main things or prerequisites which is used to create a web page using HTML. First of all is the text editor. So by default, Notepad is the text editor which we use in MS Microsoft Windows. So the Notepad we are using as the text editor. And next come to the web browser. Web browser is a software, we know that it helps us to connect to the internet. You can use Opera Mini, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, any web browser. So the main coding page, the main coding is done in the text editor which is in Notepad by writing different types of tags. Now what are the types of tags? Tags can be classified as container tag and empty tag. So what do you mean by container tag? Container tag is the tag which contains anything. It's called container tag. Suppose, first of all, tags are written within this angular brackets or greater than less than sign. Suppose we are writing a tag as HTML. It is the main tag and the first tag which identifies the document as a HTML document. So when we are writing the HTML within this angular bracket, it is known as tag. So when this tag contains something, it is known as container tag. So after completing the contents of this tag, that we have to close the tag by using /HTML. So whatever written within this opening tag and closing tag, written in between this HTML and /HTML is the component of this tag. So this is containing something. And next, if you see the empty tags are the tags which do not contain anything. That means there is no closing tag. In container tag there is both opening and closing tag, but in case of empty tag there is only opening tag but no closing tag. BR, HR, these are all the examples of empty tags. Now I will show you a simple code to make a web page. The first thing is you have to write HTML. This is the first we are writing in the notepad. Next, coming to head. Next, it comes the title tag. If you want to give a title of the web page, you can write the title tag, otherwise not necessary. So I am giving the title as this is my first web page. So after writing this title, I have to close the title tag. That means this title is a container element. So this tag contains this thing, this is my first web page. Next comes to the body tag. Whatever we will write in the web page will come under this body section. First of all, let me write it. This is my school. I am writing in the body, that means this portion will be displayed in the web page. This is my school. After that, after giving full stop, I am writing my school name is DICV Public High School. So if I write this thing, this is my school name is, if you want to change the line after this thing, you have to write BR over here. That means BR is the line break tag. To break the line or to go from one line to another line, we use this BR tag. BR stands for break the line. So if you do not give this BR tag, but you are giving enter in your notepad and writing this line in the next line, but in case in the web page, this will come in a single straight line. So for changing the line, this BR tag is must. So BR is an empty tag, that means it is not having any closing tag. So after writing this, if you want to complete the web page over here, you have to close the body tag, then you have to close the head tag, and then you have to close the HTML tag. So this coding where we have written in the notepad. After writing, you have to save the document. Just go to file, save, then give a file name. Suppose school. And after that you have to give .html. It is mandatory. If you don't give the extension as .html, then it will be not saved as a web page. So .html or .htm you have to give as a extension file name, and then click on save. After saving, you will see that a shortcut of a web page named school has been created in your desktop. Just open the file, just click on the web page, and you will able to see only this portion is written, that this is my school and my school name is DICV Public High School. So this much for today. Thank you.